Understanding the Ring Doorbell Pro Power Kit.
Hello there. Today we're going to discuss a vital component of your Ring Doorbell Pro system, the Ring Doorbell Pro Power Kit. This little gadget plays a crucial role in keeping your Ring Doorbell Pro working smoothly.
What is the Ring Doorbell Pro Power Kit?
The Ring Doorbell Pro Power Kit is a small device that comes with your Ring Doorbell Pro. It's important to note that this power kit is specifically designed for the Pro version of the Ring Doorbell. The power kit serves a critical role in regulating the power supply to your Ring Doorbell Pro.
What does the power kit do?
The primary function of the Ring Doorbell Pro Power Kit is to ensure a stable flow of electricity to your Ring Doorbell Pro. It acts like a regulator, preventing any power surge from affecting the functioning of the doorbell. It's designed to be connected to your existing doorbell's wiring system, and thus it ensures that the power is properly split between the chime and the Ring Doorbell Pro. Without it, the doorbell may not operate correctly, or it might even get damaged due to inconsistent or excessive power.
How do I install the power kit?
Installing the power kit is a straightforward process. Here are the general steps. 1. Disconnect power to your internal doorbell. 2. Locate your doorbell chime and remove the cover. 3. Connect the power kit's wires to your doorbell chime. 4. Place the power kit inside or near your doorbell chime. 5. Restore power to your internal doorbell. Please note, always refer to the specific installation instructions provided with your Ring Doorbell Pro for the best and safest installation. That's all about the Ring Doorbell Pro Power Kit. It's a small but significant part of your Ring Doorbell Pro setup that ensures a smooth, consistent power supply to your doorbell. We hope this video helps you understand its importance. Until next time, stay safe and connected.